The president attended the meetings in Cambodia despite not feeling well due to coughs and cold. The chief executive said he was elated by the developments in the meetings, so much so that he didn't feel ill most of the time. Rocky Ignacio returns with this report.
It's the nation's interest at stake, President Aquino said despite suffering from the sniffles. The president admitted he was not in his best condition when he attended this year's ASEAN summit in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. But the flu-stricken president is determined not to miss any opportunities to be heard on matters important to the Philippines, such as the territorial disputes in the West Philippine Sea. President Aquino also apologized to his host as he left early from the gala dinner for ASEAN leaders, saying he needed rest.
Bago tumuwi ng New Zealand, isipin na. Sama na wala sa briefing na spring pala doon. Spring medyo malamig compared sa Pilipinas. So still lang, kung mga may alam dyan ako sa pollen, pag spring, maraming pollen. Ngayon, ang sekretary na alam naman yung tagal sinasabi sa akin yung magpahinga, etc. Sabi ko, darating tayo dyan. So, parang inaagapan, pinipilit ako. Ito dito. Siyempre, bayan yung nakasarali. Tres na bayan eh. Kung kaya ko pa, dapat kaya din. So, medyo, hindi ko masabi 100% ako no? Kasi naman yung party boss. Ito, may sipon.
But despite suffering from flu, President Aquino is happy that ASEAN and China have finally reached a breakthrough on the issue of territorial disputes in the region. After 10 years, member economies in China have agreed to start formal dialogue to craft a binding code of conduct to resolve maritime claims in the West Philippine Sea. The president during the summit was very vocal about the Philippines' position that the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS, should be the bedrock of engagement to address disputes in the region.
Marami na nagmungkahe, hindi tayo lang, no? Hindi tayo tsaka Vietnam. Mga ibang bansa nagmungkahe. They formalized na yung dialogue tungkol doon sa pag-formulate ng COC. I think napaka-significant. Dati hindi ba pagkasundan on anything. Dito may consensus na pag-usapan na formal para napalapit na tayo doon sa punto na mailalabas yan. Yung ma-formulate at magiging, hopefully, binding on everybody. At magkaroon na rules, para yung rules will tell everybody what is expected of them, what they can do, what they cannot do. That promotes stability. That is for everybody's interest.
Meanwhile, the United States reiterated their position not to take side on the territorial disputes in the region. U.S. President Barack Obama attended the ASEAN-U.S. leaders meeting at the Peace Palace. His attendance in the ASEAN summit is part of his Asian tour after re-election. President Aquino said Washington, on the other hand, is concerned at upholding freedom of navigation and rule of law in the disputed territories.
Inalita mo ng Amerika kanina, they don't take sides with regards to the disputes, but they do have an interest in freedom of navigation, freedom of communication, stability in the region.
President Aquino also confirmed that the Cambodian foreign minister was sent to signify the Philippines' renewed commitment for a unified ASEAN. The president made a significant intervention during the ASEAN-Japan summit when he contradicted the views expressed by ASEAN leaders, interpreted by Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Sen as a consensus to resolve territorial disputes. President Aquino earlier stated that the ASEAN route is not the only way to address the matter.
Pinagsalita na wala na pinagsalita. Wala akong marereklamo sa... Nag-apologize po siya. Actually, no, at some point, hindi niya ako napansin ulit sa kamay. Tinuro naman ng mga nasa likod niya. At hindi ako yung naharang kung ano man sasabihin ko. Walang publicly, walang behind the scenes, walang pakiusap na gano'n. Malaya naman tayo pinasalita na gusto natin sabihin. Palagi ko, wala tayo dapat ireklamo.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Phnom Penh, Cambodia.